Hi guys. It is currently like 6 in the morning right now. So yeah. I think my mom drinks like coffee with a shot or something that way. Or is it just me? Also my cup says good morning. Good morning! At least some people will understand that. So I've wanted to do this for a while now. I just had to make sure I turned my microphone on or I would have cried. I've seen a lot of people be like, I want to turn my makeup to school. But it's like the most neutral. I want color. So I'm going to try and do, I only have like an hour, so, and I've never done this before, so we'll see how this goes. I want to do like a rainbow, like cut crease. I did my eyebrows, like always, and I just primed my lids. So, yeah, I'm also sick, so like, I'm also going to try and vlog today, but the problem is, not really a problem, I have 3 like tests today, basically, so who knows how much I'll vlog. Also, it's only the 3rd week of school, but I feel like this will give teachers like a really good idea of like who I am, so yeah. So like, how is everyone doing? School started for a lot of people. If you don't go to school,
congrats.
Currently as I'm filming this, September 20th, and my birthday is coming up. I turned 16 October 2nd. Let's party, let's go. And I don't get my license till January though, which like sucks because you have to wait 6 months after you get your permit in Michigan, so yay! So I have a few palettes today. I have my Urban Decay Electric. They discontinued this, but I will never stop using this. I love this so much. My Huda Beauty little Sessions palette, and then my Tarte palette just for like these purple shades by Makeup Forever. To start off, the light green color. I'm just gonna put that like in the inside of like my crease. I don't even know. I'm going to this color by Makeup Forever. I have no idea what it is. S314. What? You don't even care what the colors are, honestly. Honestly, I'm gonna pack that on top of this like the really bright blue. Oh, should I use that blue? Let me use the first blue. And I'm gonna put that in like right here. I don't even know. It's okay, it's gonna look so much better in a bit. So like, don't even be that concerned for me. And then we'll take the purple Makeup Forever one in the shade M924. Okay, we're just gonna put that on the outer part of my eye. Okay, so we're just gonna leave it like that, and then I'm gonna cut it in like a bit. But I'm gonna move on to this side. So I'm gonna go into my Huda palette, and I'm gonna take the yellow shade. I'm just gonna put that like on the inside of my like crease, my inner corner type area. I don't know. Okay, so then I'm gonna take orange shade, and we're gonna put that in my crease right here. Okay, and then I'm gonna take the red shade, and then we're just gonna put that in the outer part. Take my blendy brush, and we just gonna blend this out. I'm gonna go into my visor and like go into anything that's like actually like not like your whole entire like house payment. I'm just gonna like put that on my brow bone. Alright, so I'm gonna just take this like concealer brush, and then we're pretty much my Makeup Revolution. What is this? Conceal and Define. And I'm gonna do like a half cut crease. So yeah. I don't really like full cut creases. Well, like I do. I don't know. Actually, it depends on the look. Why am I telling you this? And I'm gonna take my Fizzy Art palette and I'm gonna go into like the more skin tone shade. And I'm gonna set where I cut the crease. I'm just gonna keep going with this eye until I'm like finished with it, I guess. I'm gonna go into my Urban Decay Heavy Metal Liner in the shade Glam Rock. It's just like the silver one, and I'm gonna do like a glittery cut crease with that. Kind of messed up, like, on that side, but, like, I'm gonna try and fix it. But pretty much I'm gonna do that, and I'm gonna do, like, a wing liner, and then put my lash on, so I'm just gonna do that to that eye. I feel like that's pretty self-explanatory.
Maybe not, I don't know, but yeah.
I've really effed up the glitter on this one, but, like, this one doesn't look that bad. But, like, they don't look good. That's just the moral of the story. I don't even know. I'm gonna go in with my Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. You know, try not to look like an Oompa Loompa. Oh, where will we look good? I'm gonna go into my Too Faced More in This Way foundation. I have not used this in so long. I'm just gonna squirt it on my face, honestly. So we need to talk about how stupid I am for a minute. So, you know, the first song I ever listened to by Travis Scott was, of course, Sicko Mode, like everyone else, because no one knew who he was before Kylie, let's be real. Maybe you did, and now you're offended. No, but I was listening to Sicko Mode. My brain didn't know that Drake sang. Okay, let's just mind that. So, the first time listening to it, I'm like,
Wow, Travis Scott sounds a lot like Drake.
And it was Drake.
I'm an idiot. Okay, then I'm gonna take my Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer, and we just go conceal with this. I'm gonna go into my Cover FX Translucent Light Powder, and I'm just gonna break my face with it. Okay, I'm like hiking running out of time. It's like almost 7. Okay, so I'm gonna go really fast. So, like, don't mind me. I'm gonna take this Milani like Prep and Set like kind of glowy-ish powder. Then I'm going to contour my nose. Pretty much how I've been doing this recently is I'm just taking an eyeshadow brush and I'm just going to use this side of it. I'm just taking my Kat Von D palette. Okay, so now I'm going to take my number 7 bronzer and I'm just going to bronze my face with that. Then I'm taking my L'Oreal Paradise Peach blush in Dash Tool. I don't know where my blush brush is, so we're going to use my other blush because I have like 20. Okay, so going back to my lower lash line, I'm basically just going to do like the same colors under my eyes basically. So then I'm going to take some Makeup Forever little eyeliner, and then I'm going to just take some setting spray, but before I do that, after I do that, actually, I'm going to take my glow kit. This is the Sun Dipped one. I don't really use this. I'm going to take the shade Summer. Why is this not showing up? There, I'm just going to go with some Ambery highlighter, because that will show up. Okay, I'm just going to put on MAC Velvet Teddy. And then you're done. I'm going to go, like, put my hair down and like shave and stuff, and I'll see you at school.
Welcome back to another fit. Wait, look, I'm looking at myself. Hi, guys. Oh,
I don't know how to focus
you have to hold up high. Be proud of our vlog. Your vlog.
Oh, Maggie's right there.
Oh, I don't know where to look.
Okay, I focused it.
You're not supposed to look at yourself. I don't.
I do, though. Sorry. Oh, do you want to say hi?
Hi.
I'm being so right. I really like vlogging with my huge camera because people just kind of stare at me. It's like actually kind of great.
Yeah, but that's because you pay attention.
I know, and I love attention. Yeah, Kelly, how was your second day of being 16?
It was pretty great. I drove here and it was my first time driving.
Did you park?
It was a very scary experience.
Oh, you were in the car?
No, I got in the car. I was like, I never.
Wait, how do I?
I don't know how it works.
Wait.
Someone go up there. No, she would never.
You're not even in focus, but okay. Josh, what is your reaction to my look? Aaron? Yeah, you're in it.
Hey man, I think you look pretty cool, dog.
Aw, thank you. Because I drank coffee this morning.
Okay, blame it on that.
I am gonna blame it on that. Oh.
How do I focus? Get over there. There you go. Good job. Yes. Zoom into this pencil. Good job. Good Zoom in, Rachel. Zoom in. All the way in. Okay, zoom in, Mr. C. Mr. C. Yeah, Rachel. That pose nice. Guys, what is she doing in that eyes?
Guys, why are her eyes two different colors? Like this eye's one color and this eye's another. Also, why is there a serial killer on her computer? But anyway.
Get a nice picture.
That was loud.
We gotta get closer so we can hear you.
Hey, vlogs.
Say, cheese! Go follow Vlogs Josh.
It's Josh Vlogs.
Oh yeah, Josh Vlogs. Follow him. He will follow back. And if you follow him, he's gonna do fan mail openings. And he could be your favorite person and he's gonna kiss you. He's gonna give you money if you subscribe. You know? That's the first.
Oh,
That's what happens when
you're just that close.
This is chemistry. TV. I need a jacket I got at the thrift store. My shirt is real worn, got it at the thrift store. My shorts are express, got it at the thrift store. And then my shoes are Puma.
I just think that I'm wearing it just like today. Like it's fine. It's really fresh. Yeah, that's about it.
Learn English. You can do my makeup. What do you think of my makeup? I think it looks. No, you can lie. No, like don't lie. Like
I was like,
Josh said I look like I got
more on that. I just like blue.
Yeah. Guys, this is the love of my life. Right here. I love him. Yeah.
So
We're dating.
hey, follow me on Twitter, JVegas3, Instagram, JVegas3.
Guys, tell him that he should say yes, because I'm going to ask him to homecoming Monday. With a poster and everything. I'm going to vlog it too, and you're going to say yes.
what's it?
We'll see. Welcome to lunch. Okay, I'm sorry. Here's my little lunch bowl. We got some chips, some fries, some... Oh my god. We can do some ASMR, like you could...
No, right? We don't like this.
I can't, I don't even... Wait. So I'll see you back in 5 hours. So we're inquired. What are your thoughts on my makeup?
I love it. I love it.
So longer?
Yeah, kind of.
Hey guys, welcome to. Hype it up.
Hi, we're doing vlog.
What's your
Miss Skipper, do you want to be in my vlog? I'll put it on the board. Miss Skipper, do you want to be in my YouTube video? This is Miss Skipper. She's my choir teacher. She's my favorite teacher.
It's unique. Actually, I like the shading. And I like the glitter. You can never have too much glitter.